So today in our shapes and measurement book, we are going to be going to page 9. So if you turn to your table of contents, we've done all of these, and today we're on the octagon, which will be found on page 9. So go ahead and write octagon. And again, like always, if you need a chance to write that in there, you can pause the video and then start it up. So we're going to go to page 9. After page 8, go ahead and write a 9 on there, and then let's write our title, Octagon. And just like the other words like penta and hexa, oct means 8. Okay, now you've heard of an octopus. The octopus has 8 tentacles. So we're going to go ahead and draw an octopus. So you get to use some of your drawing skills. All right, and so we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. It's okay if it's not perfect, and it's even better if it looks better than mine. Okay, so we want somebody to know that that's not just a splot. So we're going to put some big eyes on this octopus and a big smile. Okay, and then we know that on their tentacles they have the little suction cups. So you can be as detailed if you'd like. I'm not going to be too detailed because this is just a reminder to me that octopus has 8 tentacles, and the shape, the octagon, has 8 sides. Okay, so I'll just write a number 8 right in there so they remember it has 8. Octa means 8. Okay, now you will need your ruler, so we're going to use the inches side, and we're going to start up here. We want to draw one 1-inch line. Okay, and then we're going to go down here. Well, let's go ahead and make another parallel line to that one. So we've got 2 parallel horizontal lines, okay? And from there, we're going to go out to the sides, and we want to make it 1 inch on this side and 1 inch on this side. Okay? Now from there, we want to go to each of these are going to end up being vertices or vertex, and then we're going to attach. So we're going to start at this vertices here and go to this one. We're going to go from here to this one, from this bottom one to the vertical here, and this one to that. So you can see mine's not perfectly shaped. It doesn't look exactly like a stop sign, but octagons are exactly the shape that they use when they make a stop sign. So probably would have made it look more like a stop sign is if I were to have drawn that line down here. So it would have been a little bit bigger instead of so wide. Okay, but that's okay because it's still an octagon. What makes it an octagon is that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. It'll also have 8 vertices. And then it will also have 8 corners. Like that. So let's go ahead and write our attributes. Okay, and if you want to write a stop in there to remind yourself that the stop signs that your parents use when they're driving, if you want to write that in there to remind yourself that that is the same shape as an octagon. Okay, so let's go back to our attributes. We said that it has how many sides? And how many corners or angles? And how many vertices? 8, 8, and 8. Okay? Now, all of these are, if you look at those shapes, I'm going to get a different color just to show you guys today. All right? If we're taking a look at those angles, look at that. Not only do we have 8 angles, but what angle is that? It's not the right angle, because I could not make a square out of that. It's not the same as a square, okay? So it's not 90 degrees. Is it less than 90 degrees? No, it's more than 90 degrees. So our angles are actually obtuse. So let's go ahead and write that. They're going to be obtuse angles, okay? And we can put that in parentheses. Now let's go ahead and figure out that perimeter. I think you guys are gonna like this. For the perimeter, looks like perimeter. For the perimeter, we need to add all of the sides. Now remember when we used our ruler, what was each side? 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 all the way around. And since there are 8 sides and each side is 1 inch, that would be the same as adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 plus 1. That would be the same as saying 8 inches. Perimeter equals 8 inches. Now, because they're all the same size, we could actually multiply. How many times am I adding 1? 8 times. 8 times 1 would be 8. Okay, so that is the octagon, which has 8 sides, 8 angles, 8 vertices, and is appropriately named, just like the octopus is appropriately named. So have a good day, and I will see you next time.